Alright guys, Dom is about to do a whole wrap change for his vehicle. The Auto Gray, he was the first Gen 5 Camaro to do it when Tech came out with an Auto Gray. Let's go ahead and unwrap it, and what's the next color that he's going to be doing? You got to stay tuned. But it's hot right now, the perfect weather to unwrap a car. Let's go ahead and get started on that. We're taking applications right now. This is the best time to unwrap your cars. So if you guys need to get your cars unwrapped, make sure you email us at sales@autoaddictusa.com. And it's not fun. See, we got a lot done today. As you can see, we got some carbon fiber installs, underglow, cosmetics on the European side, and a lot of American muscle builds that we're working on. This is a day in life in our facility. Every day we're going through cars in and out, upgrading them, transporting them for our clients, and without you guys' support, we wouldn't be here. Thank you guys so much. Hope you guys liked this video. If you guys have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, hit that sub button. Make sure you guys mark your calendars. July 17th, we are gonna be in Houston, Texas. So make sure you guys stay on the lookout for that. Follow us on social media such as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok to see all the information on there. And all the information on that Texas trip will be posted below in the description. And I can't wait to see you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.